Hey, good afternoon. It is January 6th, 2024. Going to be shooting a cold start video of this 2001 CL600. The car hasn't been moved from this spot since I believe it was last Sunday. And you can see the suspension on the car is standing tall. There's no leakage whatsoever in the ABC system. There's the engine. Now I know, a lot of people like to touch the engine to show that it's ice cold. It really doesn't prove anything. I mean, if somebody wanted to, they could warm the car up, but you have to take my word for it. This is an ice cold engine. Car has not been started, and I'll show you how it starts on a cold start. The motor is nice and smooth. You'll see on my drive video, if you didn't watch my drive video, see my description of how the car runs and drives. It's very, very smooth at idle. And I had a particular question come in privately about how, turn the stereo off, how the car at various RPM ranges, is there any misfires? The engine is nice and smooth. Idle is nice and smooth. It's kind of a unusual question, because anytime you'd get a misfire on a car like this anyway, you'd almost immediately get a check engine light. So there are no misfires. The engine is absolutely silky smooth on this car.